Hey guys, Nick Drossel and welcome to Code Red Defense. Today we're going to look at how to use your attacker's clothes. Now, to me, I'm always grabbing onto something, right? So when I clinch, I'm grabbing here, I'm grabbing with one hand, I'm grabbing always the clothes because I can get a much better grip. So if you're a jiu-jitsu or a judo guy, grabbing the clothes are great. The only thing I'm not going to do is sit here and wrestle with him. I'm going to strike. So if we clinch and I'm here, I can use the jacket to pull him here, to pull him there. Sorry, Pat, he came right into my forearm. And one of my favorite moves is if I strike him and he doubles over, boom, put the jacket over his head. Guys, I've made tons of videos. Why do I keep making them? Because this shit works. It's simple, right? So once I clinch, so if he goes in and I'm here, and boom, I'm here, I'll grab here. I'll grab here. I'm always grabbing something to keep him close. So I'm grabbing with one hand and I'm striking with the other. Okay? So even if you had a sweater, a hoodie, and I can control the body through here, or again, putting it over the head is the easiest and best way, which means if I strike and he doubles over, boom, what I do is grab and yank him back. Why? Nothing better than me standing and him on the ground. Boom, kick to the head, lights out, done, and you're out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more self-defense, go visit our website, codereddefense.com. We have a great video on common attacks, an hour and a half. It's action-packed, theory, drills, and some scenarios. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay safe and stand strong.